Hi, Alex and Olivia. Sorry that video usually lets me go 15 minutes and it only let me go 10, so I'm doing 2. So hopefully that doesn't mess you up. I know on number 1 it was kind of at the very end of it, so hopefully you got that. I think the division problem was having 0.13 or 0.13, and in order to move that to a percentage, you would just move your decimal place 2 places to the right. So that would be 13%, and that's your answer. So now we're going to go down to number 5. On number 4, just make sure that you are putting it as a fraction first, just like we did with the first one. So you're going to go, what is the whole percentage? It's 750, and then you're going to write 420, and it's asking you that percentage of women for A. Then for B, remember the total percentage, 750 would be 100% of the spectators. So you would just take whatever percentage of men would be. How to figure that out would just be, well, whatever the percentage of women, and you subtract it from 100%, whatever's left would be the percentage of men. So hopefully that makes sense to you. And number 5, we'll do the first one in this for you. 65%, and percents, write it as a fraction or a mixed number. So the only time you would write it as a mixed number is if it was an improper fraction. Remember, where the top, the numerator, is going to be bigger. So this one, if we have a percent, this right here just means per 100. So we would just take 65 and put it over 100. Then remember, it says simplest form right here, so you're actually going to have to reduce that, and I'm not going to do that for you because I think you know how to. Remember, just divide the top and the bottom by something they are both able to be divided into, and then it reduces it down. So remember, whenever you see a percent, it means per 100, so you just put it over 100 and then reduce or simplify. All right, number 11, we'll go right down here. And number 11 is 6%, and it says write each percent as a decimal. So remember, we talked about up here when we were doing our very first one, and it came out as a decimal, and we moved it 2 places to the right to get the percentage. Now we're just going to do the opposite. It is a percentage, and we're going to move it 2 places to the left to make a decimal. So we'll go ahead and take our percent, and it's 6% here. I'm going to move my decimal place, which is always on the far right if they don't show where it is, 1, 2, and we'll add our 0, and it is 0.06 would be the decimal for that. And so remember, it's always 2 places, and it's either to the left for a decimal, or same 2 places to the right for a percentage. Okay, so I said I'd give you extra credit if you could figure out 17. I'll give you a little hint. This is in minutes. This is in seconds. You need to change this to seconds in order to work with the same measurement, and then hopefully that'll help you figure it out if you want to do that for extra credit. Other than that, hopefully you can get 1 through 16 done and be back to school on Tuesday healthy and ready to go. Have a great weekend. Happy Valentine's Day. See ya.